Ciao my friends, located on the enchanting east coast of Italy, Trieste is a hidden treasure nestled in the Friuli Venezia Giulia region. This captivating city boasts a unique blend of cultural influences, thanks to its rich history as a significant port town that has been touched by Italian, Austrian, and Slovenian flavors. As you wander through the streets, you'll find yourself immersed in a captivating atmosphere that echoes the city's maritime heritage and diverse past. At the heart of Trieste lies the magnificent Piazza Unità d'Italia, one of Europe's largest seafront squares. From here, you can savor breathtaking views of the glistening Adriatic Sea, and marvel at the surrounding historical buildings, such as the elegant Palazzo del Municipio, and the stately Palazzo del Governo. Venturing further, you'll encounter the awe-inspiring Miramare Castle, perched elegantly on a cliff, commanding stunning vistas of the sea. Once the residence of Archduke Ferdinand Maximilian of Habsburg, the castle offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of a bygone era, with its majestic white facade and beautifully landscaped gardens. A visit to Trieste Cathedral atop the hill of San Giusto is a must. As you step inside this impressive structure, you'll be struck by the sense of tranquility and spirituality. The sweeping views of the city, and the Gulf of Trieste from the cathedral grounds only add to the sense of wonder. For history enthusiasts, the ancient Roman theater in the city center provides a fascinating glimpse into the city's past. Wander among the ruins of this well-preserved theater, dating back to the ancient Roman times, and envision the grand performances that once graced its stage. Trieste's Old Jewish Quarter, known as Città Vecchia, offers a charming contrast to the more modern areas of the city. Delight in the narrow streets, lined with cozy cafes and quaint shops, each exuding a sense of history and tradition. Art aficionados will find their haven in the modern setting of the Rivoltella Museum. Immerse yourself in a diverse collection of contemporary and 19th century art, as well as captivating temporary exhibitions that showcase the city's vibrant artistic spirit. To experience the city's true essence, take a leisurely stroll along the Molo Audis Pier, extending gracefully into the Adriatic Sea. The peaceful ambience and stunning sunsets create a romantic setting, perfect for taking in the soothing sea breeze. No visit to Trieste would be complete without indulging in the city's coffee culture. Embrace the tradition of savoring il caffè triestino, a local specialty that blends coffee, milk, and cocoa. Join the locals in one of Trieste's traditional coffee houses and savor the rich flavors while immersing yourself in the city's bustling yet cozy atmosphere. Trieste's alluring combination of cultural influences, maritime heritage, and breathtaking coastal landscapes makes it an intriguing and delightful destination. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an art lover, or simply seeking to unwind in an enchanting setting, Trieste promises an unforgettable journey filled with exploration and discovery. Well, this journey has come to an end, my friends. Thank you for joining me as we visited the beautiful Trieste, Italy. Please don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below and let us know where you'd like to see next. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day. Ciao.